With less than 10 days before the International Criminal Court prosecutor, Luis Moreno Ocampo, applies for summons against 6 suspected masterminds of the post-election violence, the European Union is raising alarm over claims of growing harassment of witnesses of the Kenya's post-election violence.
These acts ought to be condemned very clearly, and the government should make sure that offenders face indeed the law.
If Kenya responds to the International Criminal Court in the right way, it could be a very positive thing for the country.
While cautioning politicians against politicizing the legal process at the ICC, the powerful economic and political bloc of 27 European countries claims nothing much is being done to protect potential witnesses.
Impunity remains, let's be clear about that, a threat to the reform process.
I don't think that Kenyans have an interest in jeopardizing this positive development.
But even as the EU was raising those concerns, 2 MPs from Rift Valley, Belgut constituency Charles Keter, and his Chepalongo counterpart Isaac Ruto, and 1 from Central Kenya, Kigumo MP Jamle Kamau, were accusing the EU of applying double standards.
They are also silent about the bribery to the witnesses, to the coaching of the witnesses to make these statements. They are also silent about the role by the Human Rights Director.
And the aim is very simple. The aim is to make sure that certain politicians are kept out of the 2012 elections.
A month ago, 2 alleged witnesses retracted their statements against alleged instigators of the violence, claiming they had been paid to testify against some influential politicians. Meanwhile, Nyando MP Fred Outa has threatened to go to court and sue Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka for incitement and hate speech if the National Cohesion and Integration Commission fails to summon the VP.
But there are people determined to make sure William Samoei Ruto, member for Eldoret North, sinks before 2012.
That's an incitement.
As the 17th of December draws nearer, increased political activity is expected to surround the ICC issue, with politicians polling for a fight with an eye to the 2012 general election. Chris Thairu, Citizen 9, Nairobi.